talking to you now from the side of Eng Building. Ito yung requirements namin sa ICS 5 ethics namin. So, mag-produce kami ng website wherein we will express our deepest gratitude dun sa mga people na naging dahilan para sa aming for our success and our naging responsible for us to be able to stay here in UST. Muna sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat sa mga parents ko for their support, not only just financially and also emotionally and all that, and in all aspects. Dahil sa kanila, they kept me going kahit sa 4 years na stay ko dito, sobrang hirap. And also, syempre, thank you din sa mga teachers and sa different faculty members na naging under nila ako. Maraming salamat. You have influenced me and my character in a certain aspect. And also, thank you very much to the Lord Almighty for the opportunity, for this life. And if it weren't for His power, wala tayong lahat dito, and nothing is impossible to it.